I'm Peter Haddock, and I'm here with Helen from Getmapping. Helen, the latest news I always like to get from you because you're always doing something different.
Of course.
And today I wanted to talk about city planning. You've got a lot of things happening in the whole of the world right now. Well, in the UK, we're talking about urbanisation. We're talking about now looking how we can get brownfield sites into housing and things like that, developments. You've been doing some new stuff around that. Tell me what it's all about, the mobile mapping you've been using.
Yeah, so with mobile mapping, as you know, it captures everything you can see. Yeah. So if you're standing in the middle of the road, it's got 360-degree imagery and so on. So you're capturing everything. There's so much you can do with that information. And what we're finding is that more and more people are needing extracted information. Yeah. So we're delivering the end result information to people, like city planners. So they might want to know, some of the basic things like where are the signs? What do the signs say? TRO is a really big thing at the moment, the regulations and so on and so forth. So we're digitising all of the TROs around the UK. And then we're complementing that with our aerial footage, of course. So we've got the ground information that's got all of your LIDAR and, very, very accurate information about how high the side pavements are and things like that. We can also do change detection so that people in planning can understand where they need to replace signs or where they need to fix a crack in the road, that type of thing. I'm sure you've come across it, Peter.
A lot at the moment, yeah.
Go into a hole.
Yeah. And, we just had it literally outside our house where, one of the utilities from the water company was literally causing chaos on the road.
Wow.
And so, understanding that the severity of that is really important. And of course, as we look at, connecting into utilities underground, you're doing the mobile mapping as well.
Yep.
We understand what's going on from the air as well. That all makes a difference. And how are people now using that data and how easy is it to extract?
It's getting easier, to be fair, with tools like AI. You can now use AI to strip out a lot of standard information, like where are all the lampposts?
Yep.
We use AI for that, and then you'll usually need a person as well.
Yep.
So we also use people to actually verify what AI is looking at. But AI is to streamline things significantly. But some of the things we're using information on is change detection. So a lot of councils want to know, is that loading zone really being used appropriately? So we can use mobile mapping to, do, say, a 7-day survey and then compare the results across the day so they can understand what traffic is really coming in and out of those loading zones.
Right.
So, there's all the sorts you can do with it, but that's sort of, some basics. But I think that the real trick is having the ground information, and then, we do CityView, which is again, 5 centimetre, all the urban centres. So you've got 80% of the population is covered from the air at really high resolution. So you couple that with the ground information, you've got some very, very rich information there. You can create digital twins, you can create, all sorts of planning detail and things like that.
And if we get the planning right, folks, we're going to be able to build better. And I think what we're going to see now, hopefully, is an acceleration in build, some of the red tape ripping up. But we've still got to understand how we can build, what we put there, how we can actually manage the process, how we can keep road flows open while we're doing works, things like that.
Yeah.
So another great chance to catch up with you here at Highway UK. You continue to innovate using the latest information technology, AI now coming in to make it all simpler to use highly accurate data that you're capturing. Always great to talk to you, Helen. Always doing something different. Cheers.